What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Now we have this video inside of Premiere. I'm gonna mute it. It's a lot, ignore that. That's just my renderer, it's GPU, it has nothing to do with the video. And it's like, there's all these like different like clips. Like here's our production company, filmit.xyz, but I wanna like cut this up and not, I want the clips. I want it as like B-roll. How do you automatically cut footage from a finalized export, whatever that's called? Really simple. You highlight the clip inside of your sequence, you do right click, and then you do scene edit detection. Super simple. Apply a cut at each detected cut point. You could do it right in here. You could create a bin of subclips from each detected cut point. That's really nice. That's what we're going for here. I do not want the clip marker. We'll just hit analyze. Basically what it did, it created a bin of all of our little clips. So now we have basically a B-roll. So if your client gives you a video that is like a finalized piece of theirs and they want to take clips, you don't have to go through and like figure out like B-roll. It's just there. It's all cut up for you. And this is really great for, you know, Frankensteining videos or fixing stuff. So it's a really cool little feature inside of Premiere Pro. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. And right before we finish up, I'll plug it one more time. Feel free to check out filmit.io. It is a resource for creatives made by creatives, aka me and a small team of developers.